Hello, welcome to Emmanuel Maths Academy. So today we have a problem on the board. So we can see that we have, in this function, we have both x and y inside the equation, right? So, and we are asked to differentiate with respect to x, differentiate y with respect to x. So how do you go about this? You differentiate this using what we call implicit method, right? So this is actually saying that if you see x, you actually differentiate it normally the way we used to differentiate. Then when you see y, you do what? You differentiate and add what? dy dx. Now look at what I mean. If you have this and you want to find the derivative of this, the dy dx, here you have that to differentiate this, you have what? 3y power 2 dy dx, right? This is because you are having y and not x. For this, you do what? You have 12x power 3. So you don't need to put dy dx because you are differentiating x and not y. Right? So for this would be what? 0. It's a constant. Then for this, you have minus. This is what? A product rule. Right? And the product rule is so that you keep u, differentiate v, and you keep v, you differentiate u. Let's say that this is our u and this is our v, right? So let's first of all put the two outside the bracket or outside the parenthesis. If you keep this and differentiate this, you have x cubed. Differentiate this, you have 2y dy dx plus, keep this y squared. You differentiate this, you have what? 2x power 2. Right? Hence, this is 3y squared dy dx minus 12x cubed equal to minus. Now you use this minus 2 to open through this. Use it to expand this. You have minus what? 4 x cubed y dy dx minus 4 again x squared y squared. Right? Hence, what do you do next? You collect like terms. Hence, collect like terms. So look at what you do. Since you have dy dx here, you bring down this number that has dy dx, you bring it inside here, and you take this 12x cube outside here. And when the sign of addition crosses the sign of equality, it changes to minus. The same thing with subtraction. So when this go to this place, it will change to what? Subtraction. And this also will change to what? Okay, this will change to what? Addition. And this also will change to what? Addition. So we have 3x squared dy dx. This will come inside. You have plus 4x cubed y dy dx equal to, this will go outside. You have 12x cubed minus 4x square, then square also. You have the y dx here, you have the y dx here. You factor it out. If you factor it out, you have dy dx 3y squared plus 4x cubed y equal to 12x cubed minus 4x squared y squared. You divide both sides with the coefficient of dy dx. So this will divide this 3y squared plus 4x cubed y over 3y squared plus 4x cubed y. This will cancel this. Now you have that your dy dx is equal to this. Right? As simple as that.